What's going on, guys? I have an unboxing for you today. This is my new tripod that I have. The camcorder is sitting on is my old one. And when I do a review video, I'll talk about a bunch of things and what has happened and why I wanted to get this tripod. Let's take it out the cardboard box that it's in. Out my scissors. Here. First. Ooh. Cutting through all sides, like so. Here, we may have to start on this side. Oh yeah. I don't want to get too close here. Just scissors. There you go. I think that's. Yeah, it's good enough to open her up. Wait, nope. It's still being held in there. Let me get that. Okay, let's see. Don't want to. There's the part, top part, bottom part. Oh, here we go. Yes, beautiful. Don't even look like it's been opened. And of course, I cut the tape here when I was cutting this part off, so it'll be easy access. Let me get her out here. I'll tell you what, I hope this tripod, I've been waiting for this. Well, actually, it come early. It was supposed to come the 4th, which is tomorrow, Wednesday. But, I got a little bit early here. Let me pull it out for some odd reason. I'm not getting it out here. Guess I'm just going to have to tear the entire box. I didn't want to have to do that, but I didn't want to have to tear the whole box. There you go. Tape. Rather. Let's tape right here. Now. That's why. Come out now. Nope. Got some more tape. Man, I mean when. There you go. You can sort of see the box. See the box here poking out from the. Go all the way down. Oh. Okay. So you got some tape holding it. Tape on it. Here, where's my scissors? Here's my scissors. I don't know if you. Yeah, y'all might see that. There you go. There you go. There you go. Alright. Got it out. It's a Targus 6.6" tripod, camcorder tripod. And this box, I have to say, it's in pristine condition. I mean, just wonderful shaped box. Let's go over the stats, or what the box has on it. See there? 6 inch. Extends to 5.5 feet folds to 27 inches, 3-way fluid pin head, quick release plate, quick release leg locks, dual bubble level, 7-pound load capacity, rubber grip feet, includes carrying case. And at the bottom here, it says 6 inches, folds 27 inches, 7-pound load carrying capacity. And then this is what it has here, this side. Number 1 for camera and camcorder. Number 1 tripod. There. Extend see. It shows pictures here. Just going down the line. You may have heard my phone going off there. No. Here's the other side. Bonus carrying bag included. There you go. Alright, now let's take it out. Take it out the box. There you go. Alright. Oop. There's that piece. Alright, comes out like that. And voila. There it is. Alright. Much in the box. And carrying bag has some sort of, you can tell that residue or some sort of white substance on it. But it would just come off. Let's open her up and see what we got here. Oh yeah. Huh. Very nice. Get my phone going off again. I'm just gonna silence my phone there so y'all don't have to hear it no more. And what I'm doing here is just taking her out of her bag and this plastic thing here, which I'll throw away. Here's the carrying case. The other box. Oh yeah. Very nice. Tell it's sort of better than my other one actually. Yep. Well, there's the unboxing, and there will be a review shortly following this.